फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल नर्सिंग एडुकेशन मेडिको। आज की इस वीडियो में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे न्यूट्रिशन का चैप्टर थर्ड, जिसमें हम लोग पढ़ेंगे फैट्स के बारे में। तो चलिए हम लोग पढ़ते हैं फैट्स एंड द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ द फैट्स फॉर द इंडिविजुअल्स। सबसे पहले हम लोग पढ़ते हैं डाइटरी फैट्स आर डिवाइडेड इनटू टू टाइप्स। फर्स्ट वन इज विजिबल फैट एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज इनविजिबल फैट। For example, visible fats are butter, ghee, oil, and the invisible fats are egg, fish, meat, cereals, oil, seed. These are the example of invisible fats. Next हम लोग पढ़ेंगे important source of fat and the percentage of fat present in the source. First, pure oil and fats contain 100% fat. Ghee and banaspati contain 100% fat. Butter contain 80 to 81% fat. Nuts and oil seeds contain 60% fat. Milk powder contain 26% of fat. So these are the some source from which the fat contents are given below in the percentage. Cow milk contain 4%. Buffalo milk contain 7%. नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ते हैं फैट रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर इंडिविजुअल्स। इन्फेंट birth to 1 year, 25 to 30% of total calorie from the fat. Adult, expectant and nursing mother, 10 to 20% of total calorie from the fat. And the child and adolescent 1 to 8 year contain need 15 to 20% of total calorie from the fat. नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ेंगे एटलीस्ट 50% ऑफ द फैट शुड कंसिस्ट ऑफ ऑयल रिच इन एसेंशियल फैटी एसिड. फैट इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर एनर्जी नीड्स. टू मीट द एसेंशियल फैटी एसिड नीड्स द डाइट शुड कंटेन एटलीस्ट 20 ग्राम ऑफ वेजिटेबल ऑयल विच इज एन एक्सलेंट सोर्स ऑफ एसेंशियल फैटी एसिड. एज यू स्टडी, oil and banaspati contain 100% of fat. So, 20 gram of vegetable oil, which is an excellent source of linoleic acid, it is an essential fatty acid. Next हम लोग पढ़ेंगे functions of lipid. The lipid present in the diet, animal and human body. First one is triglyceride, that is also known as natural fat. Next one is phospholipid and the third one is cholesterol. तो चलिए सबसे पहले हम लोग पढ़ते हैं functions of triglyceride, means functions of natural fat. First, it is concentrated source of energy yield 9 kilocalories per gram, more than twice the energy supplied by the carbohydrate and the protein. 95% of lipid in food is glyceraldehyde, and fat reduce the bulk of the diet as they produce twice as much calorie as carbohydrate per unit weight. It means the fat gives us more amount of energy as the carbohydrate gives double amount of energy we get from the fat. Next, function of phospholipid. Phospholipids are present in mitochondria in large amount and are essential for the organization and functions of the mitochondrial electron transport system. Next, they are essential component of thromboplastin, a factor in blood coagulation, and the seventh one is they are present in large amount in nerve tissue and essential for their function. So these are the some functions of phospholipid. नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ेंगे फंक्शन ऑफ कोलेस्ट्रॉल. एज ए प्रोसीजर फॉर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ dihydrocholesterol in the skin for the conservation of vitamin D from UV ray present in the sunlight. This is the main function of cholesterol. And the next one is present in large amount in the nerve tissue and is essential for their function. नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ते हैं essential fatty acid. For example, Cyanoderma. Cyanoderma is an essential fatty acid deficiency disease. Phynoderma is also known as Tourette syndrome. This condition is categorized by the presence of horny popular eruption on the procedure and the lateral aspect of the limb. Other effects of essential fatty acid deficiency are integrity of cell membrane and cell function, certain enzyme system, reproduction and lactation, transfer of cholesterol, and the water balance. So these are the some effect of essential fatty acid. Next, essential fatty acid consists of vegetable source, sunflower, niger seed, cotton seed, linseed, corn, walnut, and soybean oil are rich source of essential fatty acid. These oil must for at least 50% of diet फैट इन आवर डाइट. नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ेंगे फैट एंड हार्ट एलिमेंट. फैट इज एन एसेंशियल फॉर हेल्थ बट टू मच इज हार्मफुल. The well-to-do section for India have high risk of standard fat from the milk, sweet, egg and meat. नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ेंगे द लोअर ब्लड कोलेस्ट्रॉल लेवल. These are the some things in which to lower our blood cholesterol level. First, eat no more than 30% calorie as fat. Eat no more than 8% to 10% of calorie as saturated fat. Eat no more than 10% calorie as polysaturated fat. Fourth, monounsaturated fat must up to 10 to 15% calorie, and the last one is limit daily cholesterol intake to less than 20 mg. So these are the some measures to